Ever feel like you're drowning in to-do lists and miss deadlines? Juggling multiple projects, clients, and team members can be a nightmare. That's where project management tools come in. They're supposed to be your lifesaver, keeping your team organized and projects on track. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we're diving into two big players, Asana and Jira. Both are popular choices, but they cater to different styles and needs. So, which one is right for you? When Asana shines, let's start with Asana. Imagine a giant whiteboard overflowing with sticky notes. That's kind of the Asana vibe. It's visually intuitive, perfect for teams that thrive on clear overviews and easy customization. Here's why Asana might be your project management soulmate. Simplicity is key. Asana is known for its user-friendly interface. It's easy to learn, even for non-technical team members. You can create projects, break them down into tasks, and assign them to specific people. Drag-and-drop functionality lets you easily move tasks around, keeping your workflow fluid. Focus on collaboration. Asana excels at fostering teamwork. Team members can leave comments on tasks, share files, and track progress in real time. This transparency keeps everyone on the same page and eliminates communication silos. Geared towards flexibility, Asana is adaptable. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, you can customize it to fit your specific needs. Use it for marketing campaigns, product development, or even simple team brainstorms. List lovers rejoice. For those who thrive on to-do lists, Asana's My Tasks section is a dream come true. See all your assigned tasks in one place, prioritize them, and set due dates. It's a great way to stay organized and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Asana's not-so-perfect side. While Asana is fantastic for many teams, it's not without limitations. Here are a few things to consider. Limited reporting features. Asana's reporting functionality is somewhat basic. If you need in-depth analytics and data breakdowns, you might find it lacking. Not built for super complex projects. Asana is ideal for straightforward projects. If you're managing highly technical projects with intricate dependencies, Jira might be a better fit. Can get messy with large teams. Asana's visual layout can become cluttered with large teams and numerous projects. Keeping things organized might require stricter management and additional tools. When Jira takes the lead. Now let's talk about Jira. If Asana is the bright and friendly whiteboard, Jira is the industrial control panel. It's robust, powerful, and built for handling complex projects with intricate workflows. Here's why Jira might be your perfect project management partner. Built for agile teams. If your team follows agile methodologies like Scrum or Kanban, Jira speaks your language. It offers features like sprint planning, backlog management, and burn-down charts, making agile workflows a breeze. Highly customizable, Jira is like a Swiss Army knife of project management. You can customize workflows, create custom fields, and integrate it with a vast array of third-party tools. This level of control is ideal for complex projects with specific needs. Advanced reporting and analytics. Need to impress your stakeholders with detailed reports? Jira has your back. Generate insightful reports that track progress, identify bottlenecks, and measure team performance. Jira's not for everyone. While Jira is a powerhouse, it's not for everyone. Here are some things to keep in mind. Steeper learning curve. Jira's interface and functionalities can be intimidating for beginners. It might require some training for your team to get up and running efficiently. Focus on process, not simplicity. Jira prioritizes structured workflows over ease of use. If your team thrives on a more casual approach, Jira might feel rigid and restrictive. Cost can be a factor. Depending on your needs and team size, Jira can get expensive. For smaller teams or those on a tight budget, Asana might be a more cost-effective option. The final showdown. Asana versus Jira. So, Asana or Jira? The answer depends on your specific needs and project style. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Remember, the key is to find a tool that empowers your team, not overwhelms them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.